In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bill in Xero. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in, right through to saving your bill so it's ready for payment and reporting. Follow along in your own Xero account if you can, and feel free to pause as you go. Once you're signed into Xero, start by heading to the Purchases area. You'll usually find this in the main menu near the top of the screen. The Purchases section is where Xero keeps everything you owe to suppliers, so it's the best place to manage all of your bills in one spot. Inside Purchases, click on Bills. This will open your bills dashboard. Here, you'll see different tabs, some such as awaiting payment, paid, or maybe draft, depending on how your Xero is set up. This page gives you an overview of what you owe and when it's due. But for now, we're going to focus on adding a brand new bill. To do that, look for the New Bill button. It's usually located near the top right of the bill screen. Click on New Bill to open the bill entry form. If you see more than one option that looks similar, choose the one simply labeled New Bill, rather than any template or repeating options. This takes you to a fresh page where you can enter all the details from your supplier invoice. On the New Bill screen, start by filling in your supplier or contact name. If the supplier already exists in your Xero contacts, select it from the list that appears. If not, you can create a new contact directly from here. Then enter the bill date and the due date shown on the supplier invoice. Getting dates right is important because it affects your cash flow and your reports. Next, add a reference or invoice number just as it appears on the supplier's document. This makes it much easier to track and reconcile later. Now, move down to the line items. For each item or service on the bill, enter a description, quantity, unit price, and choose the correct account code and tax rate. Take your time here and match these details to your chart of accounts so your reports stay accurate. Once everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Xero will store the bill, and you'll now see it listed under your bills, ready to be approved or paid according to your usual process.